We have found a nicely preserved house in the suburbs of Chernobyl recently. We will not tell you the street to keep away the marauders. And then we were surprised to find a village in Chernobyl forest. And the entire village wasn't looted by marauders yet. They don't seem to find it. The original locks here. It is closed. There is the path and the attic. You go first. To get the emotions? Okay. Oh my, it's cold as hell here inside. Why is this stuff torn apart? I heard that people hid some valuables inside of stuffs. Look at this thing. Guys, that's K60. I would like to know what is that, but we don't have anything to play it. Maybe it is spoiled already, seems broken. What's there? Nothing here. And what's here? No light, obviously. A bed. You know, these wallpapers were popular in 90s. Yeah. Holy moly, it is empty below. What's that for? What kind of technology? I don't know, maybe there is a cellar. I hope I don't fall here. Is it all empty? I don't know, I wasn't here. Pay attention to this icon. The marauders didn't take it. And there's a cracks in the wall. See? That's a hell. Yeah, I see. This house is shabby after all. And there's a stalker bed. Yeah, it is stalker. That's obvious. The metal was stolen from here. We can use it still, but there will be much of smoke here. And a big stalker room. Look at these cracks over there. Look, it's wooden. Completely wooden. So this house wasn't heated for long and that all happened in the end. What is that? Beats me. Weird thing. Let's go on? Yeah. An old Soviet shop called Co-op. Was ever shop called like that? I think so. Cooperative or something. Yeah, cooperative. Let's go quietly. I know how to open it. Oh, it isn't closed? It is rust, Alex. I think it was closed, but... Look at it. There is a second door. An iron door. Theft protection. So the shop was well protected. Finding a shop is cool. Time traveling. It is so tiny. All the shelves are on place. Cool. Old price tags. So how much was that? Margarine? 75 kopeikas. These prices were in 19. Yeah, you're right. 75 kopeikas for margarine. Orange waffles, 45 kopeikas. An accounting book. I think the shop was closed even before people left this place. Is it a Russian flag? I don't think so. But whose is this flag? I don't know. And what is that for? I can guess there was something valuable here, and there was a lock or something on it. I wanna walk here, only stuff could go there. Let's break some rules. Oh, there's a mousetrap. It's rotten. Oh, pity, the spring was torn off. It didn't catch a mouse. Look at this, there's a thing for money. See? Maybe there's no money already. That used to be a storage room. Yeah, for goods. There are bars on the window. It's so tiny. Oh, an attic. Shall I go up? I'm kinda not sure that we should do it. We might be hurt, you know. It is warm here, all I can tell. Let's visit the coolest house in the village. Are you okay, Dima? That is Sergei Trace's house, in the abandoned village. Look at it, there is even some fans here. When Sergei found it, there were locks on the doors, so no one before him had entered it. You've got some kebabs. Yeah, we've been here already. This house is awesome, guys. Finding a house like this is incredible in Chernobyl forest. I think 7 or 10 years ago they lived someone. My bag is here already. Maybe there were some squatters or something. I feel like I want to take off my shoes, you know? We had to clean this flat. There were piles of whitewash lying all around. Cool. Are the beds good? Yeah, we used them already. Did you use the stove? Not yet. In future we're going to try it. And there's plenty of firewood. And you've got a perfectly preserved chandelier.
Вау.
What is that? That is for pillows and things. They're placed like that. People usually cover pillows with these clothes. Now there are things. I didn't check them, by the way. Look there. Isn't it cool? There's a calendar, and it's modern. If you turn it, there's 2013. So there was someone in 2013. Someone lived there. Some clothes here too. Yeah, maybe someone died here and their relatives, left it. The farther we go, the better things we find. A cool lamp here. Yeah, better stuff. There's no electricity, Alex. Not surprising. What's that? There was left a TV here. I know these TVs have lots of copper inside. Sergei said this house is occupied. So we have to find another house. What is that? Cucumber. Did you taste them? Not me, but my friend did it. I don't want to do it. Are they from here? Yeah, we have found them here. And there was wine too. But we didn't take risk. I don't like this mold, but people say it's okay. Did you say wine? As there's an open bottle. Let's go, I'll show you. Okay, let's go. What are you doing, Dima? Be careful here. There are snakes. Grass snake? Yeah, once I was bitten. Let's go. Well, this cellar is grand. Look, there are two directions, right and left. Alright. There are some corpses of animals in the bags, aren't they? Kinda. There was kvass, mushrooms, cucumbers, and so on. Mushrooms? Do you want to try them? Not really. Look here. Someone has made them. Look at the mold. Look at the thing, guys. And look here. Wine. Wow, but why it is open? I'm not sure. Maybe the cap got rotten. It was made from rubber gloves, I think. And now there is something inside. Does it smell wine? Yeah, it smells good. What about these? Are they wine too? Maybe, I'm not sure. They're spoiled too, as you see. I bet someone gonna drink it one day. What is this canister for? Looks new. I don't know, there's something liquid here. Oh my gosh, that's nasty, I don't wanna film it. Uranium tincture, maybe. Another tincture here. What? A shirt in a bottle in it? I think it's jam. In ancient times there were no freezers and people built cellars like this one. To keep food here. Yeah, big freezer. I can't say it's cold here. But it seems to be working, maybe. So what? Is there any food? Plenty of it, really? Yeah, awesome. Guys, someone comes here at night, to this house. We're going to set some hidden cameras to see who is there. Stalkers say that some bears have come here from Belarus to the border to the Chernobyl zone. I didn't see any. I've seen elks, heard wolves. There was no sign of bears still. But we're gonna check it with hidden cameras anyway. There's a water spot, there are some fly agarics, and we know that elks love them. There's a path, by the way. Oh, Silius, don't eat it, Alex. I think animals may come here to drink some water. It has been a dry year, so there aren't many watering places. Shall we set it over there, maybe? So that no one find it. We have found an animal trail. A human can go it, but there is an obvious path. Maybe the stream leads to a swamp. It's boggy here. There's water. How can we bypass it? There we are. Let's install here the cheapest one. Look, a fresh one. Over there. Beavers have taken it. Watch out, there's a deadly spider. Here? Yeah, let's hide it nicely on this tree. Okay. It's gonna be like this. Here. That should be cool. Let me turn it on. All's working, we've made it. Let me speak to the guys. Well, if you find this camera trap, find me in YouTube. I'm Sergei Tracer. My channel has my name. Please give this camera back to me for a reward. Thank you very much. Fascinating. What did the traps film? The cameras we left in Pripyat. In the building, near the death bucket, and hidden cam in our stalker flat. Don't miss this video and you will know what stalkers do when you don't look at them.
Пока их никто не видит.
And the coolest trap we're going to install on a tree near Sergei's house. Right here. There's the cellar, and this is the house. And Dima is cooking and listening to music over there. Do you hear that? Music in Chernobyl? How is it possible? We can listen to music here, because there are no people at all. Dima, tell me more about radiation in this place. Do you think it's normal here? Let's check it, I don't know. Let's maybe check this tree. Look at this hole. There could get much of radiation. 11, less than in Kiev. Wow, cool! It is very radioactive near the fire. Let's see. We want to be fair, guys. See for yourself. It's a bit more, but nothing special. That's gonna be less than in Kiev. Really? Yeah. 17, 18. That's more than in Kiev. It is high because of ashes. It is normal anyway. The normal is 20. We've got 17, and now it's 15, 14. We have eaten the paste, which we have found in this flat. And now we're going to go back home. They were 10 years out of date. Awesomeness. There's one more dangerous place we have to walk through. The barbed fence. If we pass it normally, we're gonna be safe, so to say. There are plenty of wild animals, especially elks. Yeah, so many traces. Do you remember the sounds of elks? At night, yeah. That was the scariest thing. Dima is lost. He's looking at Navigator. Navigator is never bad. We don't want to walk in vain, don't we? Why are you looking at Chernobyl? Yes, it is Chernobyl. Look here. Is Dima a bad guide? The route seems to be perfect. Yeah, I see. It's okay, guys. I can see the barbed wire already. Here we are. Damn it, there is no path. Search for the hole. There is no hole in the fence. Oh my gosh. We have missed the spot. We need to find a bigger hole. There it is, guys. Let's go. Alex, go. I'm the last one. It's so tiny here. Lower, lower. That's it. Go. Congrats, guys. Hush. There we are, guys. Let's better leave now. Go. I realize we will not be caught here. I just don't want to waste time. We would like it to cross the fence before rain. That is just awesome, guys. You can't imagine. Yeah, pretty cool. We're going by tracer car. That is not the end, but the beginning of the new awesome project. We're going to the abandoned city of Возрождение Island. Those developed nowadays forbidden biological weapon.
Don't miss that.